You need to watch this if you struggle with finding purpose. Are you so caught up in daily life that you miss the signs from Allah? In our last video, we discussed how the Quran highlights the importance of intelligence. Intelligence is one of Allah's greatest blessings. The Quran even describes those who don't use their intellect as the worst of animals. Today, our lives are filled with distractions: Facebook, games, TikTok, and endless career goals. We've become so busy that we've stopped pondering the deeper meanings of life. The first step out of this hypnosis is to start using our intelligence. But where should we direct this intelligence? The Quran guides us in Surah Baqarah, Ayah 164. Surely in the creation of heavens and earth, and the alternation of night and day, and the ships that sail in the sea, carrying that which benefits